everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Love and I am starting off my official moving vlog or moving series because I don't really know how long this is going to take for me to move out of my current house into my new house and set up my new room and all of that. Maybe 1 or 2 videos, might be 3 or 4, we will see. I'm currently on my way to Walmart right now. I have to rebuy all of my storage bins that I had from last year because my younger brother, he went to college and I just gave him all of my storage bins that I used to move into my current house. So he's still using them to store his stuff and all that jazz. So my mom was like, just go and buy some new ones. Here's some cash, go do that. So that's what we're gonna do. I have to get 8 storage bins in total, and I need to get some other cleaning products and stuff just to make sure that I clean my room and the bathroom and like little stuff that I will use in the meantime, because all of my other roommates have basically moved out at this point. It is just me. So let us go and start off this moving vlog slash packing slash all of the above. So yeah. Hello vlog. So I literally just got back from work and I have like an hour to spare. So I'm going to start packing. I started a little bit. I packed like my work uniforms and my towels, and that wasn't too interesting, so I didn't include that. But I have 2 large storage bins to pack the shoes in the bottom of my closet. But we're also getting rid of shoes, which is what the errand is. I'm gonna go run after I do this. I'm gonna put all the shoes I want to sell in here, which is probably gonna be a good amount because there's so many shoes I don't even wear. So here's the 2 storage bins. I'm gonna prop you guys up somewhere so you guys can see me do this process, a little bit of it, not the whole thing. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm on the floor, and as you can see, the bottom half of my closet is all shoes. All the shoes back here are my nicer sneakers, like brand new, probably just got within the last couple of months. Everything here are like everyday wear them all the time basically type sneakers. But there's a lot of sneakers in here that I don't even reach for anymore, so we're gonna go through those ones first. Like these right here, I don't remember the last time I've worn these. I used to have a lot of olive green in my closet, so this used to be like a staple shoe for me. I love that it had gum bottoms. Like as you can see, like there's still some olive green in my closet, but not enough for me to keep these, so those can go. Then I also have a ton of like Adidas that I don't reach for anymore. These are like basically brand new. I barely ever wear these. These are the Adidas Disruptors. These were super popular one year. I'm gonna try and sell those. I also have them in black, but I'm going to actually toss these in the trash because as you guys can see, these are so dingy, dirty, because I travel with these a lot, and these are what I use for like outdoorsy activities whenever I travel, but these are going in the trash. But that's basically the process I'm about to do. I'm not going to talk through the whole thing. I'm going to speed up the rest of this. So I have the pile of everything I want to sell in this bag, and now everything else I know pretty much for a fact that I'm going to keep. So I'm going to just start packing like the tinier, thinner shoes, like my Vans, at the bottom, and put like the bulkier shoes on top. I think it's going to end up being like 1 large bin is going to be for sneakers and like sandals and stuff like that, and then the other bin is going to be for boots and like winter shoes, because I think last year I ended up having 2 bins for sneakers, but that's also just because I didn't decrease or like, you know, try to go through and make it smaller. You know what I'm trying to say. I hope. It's another day and we're doing some more packing. Please don't mind how crazy I look, but the mini twists are cute, no? So I have another bin and I'm going to prop you guys up. I'm going to pack all of my winter jackets, puffer vests, things like that. So I'm gonna put you guys here. This is a perfect view of a closet. I have this giant storage bin. It's gonna be on the floor so you can't really see it, but I do have a good amount of jackets, and there's one, like, I have so many that like I have to split up how I hang them up. So I have like two really big ones like this, and then the rest of the stuff back there is like dresses and pants. But the way I do this, just for people who are curious, is like fold in the sleeves and fold in half. And that's it, because the hood really doesn't matter, but fold in the sleeves, fold in half, and place it in the bin, and you're done. So, like, my closet looks so empty because all the shoes are out from the bottom, and it's just clothes. It's literally just clothes, and like, the bins on top, I'm just gonna carry them like as is. I'm not gonna really do too much with those. So we made it to the pillow aisle. I already found the body pillow. It's literally the last one. But here's the pillows I'm talking about. These ones are like firm, but like it says firm down alternate pillow, but like it still plushes back up pretty quickly. But then these ones are like extra firm. So I'm gonna get 2 of these kinds and 2 of these ones. I feel like these are ones that are gonna last me a little bit longer, and they're $10 per pillow, so I'm gonna pray that they last me longer. And they already like feel like much better quality than the other like cheaper pillows, so this is what I'm gonna go with. And then I need to find a body pillow cover for the body pillow that matches the theme of my room I'm trying to go for. Hello vlog. I can officially vlog in my work shirt because I'm no longer going to be working there. There's so many updates, but the biggest update that's happening right now is the continuation of this moving vlog. My car is already filled in the front seat. These are like the pillows and all the bedding that is brand new that I bought is up here. I have a new table that I bought and a body pillow like in between the back seats here, and then all of the back seats are down, as you guys can see, as well as the trunk is made out flat. Today isn't really the moving day, but it's the last day of my lease, so technically I'm not even supposed to be sleeping at this house tonight. But since it's technically the last day of my lease, I'm staying here tonight, and then I'll be out tomorrow during the day. So I have to wake up early enough tomorrow morning to, you know, put all of my bed sheets and my bedding in like a trash bag and throw that out because I'm not taking it with me, so that it doesn't look like I am still occupying the place, even though all of my stuff is gonna be out. All of my furniture and stuff is still gonna be here. So I'm about to start loading up the back of my SUV. My family should be here anytime soon. My brothers and my mom are coming to help out, and we're gonna move me into my new house. Luckily, God is good. This house, I was on the bottom floor, but I had like a couple of stairs to get to the bottom floor. But my next house, I'm like actually on the first floor, so it's just the first 3 steps up into the front of the doorway, and then that's it. It's just smooth sailing from there, which is great because I've never had my room on the first floor, so I'm excited about that. And it's the biggest room in the house as well, so yeah. So you guys can't really tell, but this is like what it looks like when I first walk in. So here's the door, and then you go down these steps like I was talking about, and this is all of my stuff. It looks crazy. It looks like a lot. There's a lot of bins, but majority of the bins is just clothing items, and there's a few bins with like other stuff. And then I have a little bit of stuff upstairs in the kitchen. It's all sitting right there on the counter. It's really, I don't think it's gonna be too bad, but we're gonna move all of this and that stuff today. Let me walk down and show you guys my room. So this is my room. Let me turn the lights on. I know my bed is a mess, it's okay. So I have like a mirror, suitcases, some shoes and stuff. But then the rest of it is just the bulk of the furniture. Those are my shoe racks that were in the bottom of my closet. Then I just have like little stuff here and there. Like all of the stuff that's out was probably in use. And then, like I said, I'm throwing away all this bedding tomorrow morning so that it doesn't look like I'm still occupying this place. But I'm still going to try and get majority of this stuff moved out today if I can. I do still have clothes in my closet. It's just this half of my closet could not fit into any of the bins, so I'm gonna do the trash bag method and we're just gonna go from there. But it's just the current status. I'm ready to get out, clearly. Guys, I'm in a freaking U-Haul. I just drove this can you tell how excited I am? I just drove this giant U-Haul truck. I'm gonna get out, show you guys what it looked like. I gotta, hopefully my family will get here within the next 30 minutes because I gotta move. I gotta finish moving the furniture. I overslept this morning. I was supposed to work at 6:30 to 12:30, get this U-Haul and finish moving. I went to work at 9:30. I left at 12:30 still, but they was trying to make me stay there till 3:30. And I was thinking like, oh, what if I move for the next 3 hours? I come back at 3 o'clock. It's already 1:18 and my family still ain't here. So, it don't look like I'm coming back at 3. But we'll see. Honestly, I might go back. I really might. But I just needed to move within this time frame because that's what I told the landlord. And technically, my lease ended yesterday. It's June 1st. New lease. New place. Let's go. All the furniture is officially moved in. I have to rebuild my bed real quick so we can put the bed in there. But like, it's a mess. You can't even see the floor. And my desk is gonna be here now. I can get some nice natural lighting by my desk. And then obviously you guys see where the TV and this stuff is gonna be. Now my mirror is here because I need to put, I think I'm gonna stack these 2 shoe racks right here. And then I'm going to get a clothing rack right here. And then I still have my shelf, which is out here. Like, the fridge is mine, the rack is mine, pots and pans are mine. Here's where my bed is for now, and then my shelf is over there. So, I'm tired and sweaty. I'm a terrible vlogger, I know, but I've literally just been doing so much with this moving, with the U-Haul, all of that. I didn't even show you guys the U-Haul while I had it. It was a lot, okay? But we are in the new room. And we are setting up. As you guys saw from before, I have made so much progress. The shoe racks are a situation. I have to go buy a clothing rack. Right here is trash. I have suitcases that I'm about to unpack right now before I head to Target. My bed, all of the stuff from my bed is on my bed. I just need to put it together. And then these are the clothes and the shoes for these shoe racks, and the clothes that are going to go on the clothing rack. This shelf is basically fully set up. It's gonna stay how it is, except for this middle one right here that just has packages on it that I need to film a haul for. This bin is all the stuff from my desk, but literally that takes me 2 seconds to take out of the box and put onto my desk. This bin's empty. And then that bin is what I call my memories bin. So actually I might move that to go next to this, just so that it can hide on the side over here, and then this will be what is seen when you first walk in. And then this box right here is just, I mean, this bag is just filled with shoes and a couple accessories. And then this is my closet. So I have a couple of shoe racks down, shoe boxes down here. And then I have this one shoe rack that was able to fit. And then this is only half of my actual closet space that able to fit in here. And I have these 2 baskets from before up here. So, as you guys can see, I have been making a ton of progress. I'm about to just finish unpacking this one bin and those suitcases and do a Target run. I'm trying to get done in my room before I go to Target by like 7. So I do a quick Target run, come back hopefully around 8, 9 o'clock, finish setting up some stuff, and then just make my bed, shower, and go to sleep because I still have work tomorrow. I do have this rug over here on the corner in the floor. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that yet, but I do have it as an option. I might do 2 rugs actually. I might do 1 rug in front of the dresser and then 1 rug out over here. I have no idea, but if you guys want a full tour, stay tuned because that video is definitely coming up soon.